guys, welcome to my channel. Today let's learn HSK2, Unit 7. 你家离公司远吗？你家离公司远吗？ Do you live far from your company? Okay, so match the pictures with the words or phrases. The first one, 考试 take exam, to take exam, or to have exam. So choose C, right? And number 2, 商店 shop, shopping mall. So choose E. Next, 机场 airport, 机场 So choose B. 路 so that means road or way, way, so choose D. 教室 classroom, so choose A. 时间 time, so we choose F. So the answers are C, E, B, D, A, F. Okay, text 1. In this unit, I want to mention you that we need to learn 2 important words. Its adverb is very important. So 还 and 就. And I will explain this one after text 1, okay? And 大卫回来了吗? So is David back? Here new words 教室 classroom. And B says 没有，他还在教室学习呢. So no, he's still studying in the classroom. 已经9点多了，他怎么还在学习? So here 2 sentences all mentioned 还 here, adverb. 还 the first one still, right? So the second also means that still. 还 let's read twice. 还 okay. So 明天有考试，他说今天要好好准备。明天有考试，他说今天要好好准备。That we learned that reduplicates words, right? Last time that's reduplication about major word. Last unit we learned 个 right? Major word. So reduplicate. Here 好好 that means adjective reduplication. So there will be a text tomorrow. He said he will work hard in preparation for it today. Okay, so let's learn this important grammar about 就. So unit 7, about this unit that we mentioned 就, time, so adverb of time, 就. We learned this to indicate, so it's used for emphasis, indicating that speaker thinks something happened early or went fast and well. So for example, 同学们7点半就来教室了. So that means students come to the classroom at 7:30. So that means maybe the class will begin in maybe 8:30 or 8. So 7点半, that means the speaker thinks something is early because it will happen or begin later. And next one, 我坐飞機1個半小時就到北京了. So that means I fly to Beijing only needs 1.5 hour. So when you want to mention that something happened early or went fast and well, and we use 就, right? But the opposite word, I want to mention you, take note, 就, the opposite word, we can say 才. So we can change the first example into 同学们9点半才来教室, because it's too late, not early. So when you want to mention early, you need to use 就, and 才 means that it's too early. It's too late. And next one, last unit 6, we learned 就 indicates a conclusion or resolution that are made on the basis of what have been mentioned previously. For example, 你想吃你想吃苹果还是香蕉？就吃香蕉吧。So you give a conclusion. 吃香蕉 right? Okay, so hi, this grammar also very important. So modal adverb hi. Here, unit 7. And it indicates the continuation, right? How to pronounce this one? Continuation of an action or a state. Its negative form is 还没. So we learned the text 1 that still studying in the classroom, right? Because he is continuing studying, right? So 还 that means continuing doing something. 8点了，他还在睡觉 ，still sleeping, right? 怎么还没吃饭？还没吃饭，对不对？还没 is negative form. So you still didn't eat meal. It didn't eat dinner or breakfast or lunch. Okay, so unit 6 that we learned that modal adverb 还 means something possible or acceptable. 还 so 还可以 right? 还好。Here this one. Example 1. 你身体怎么样？还好 That means not bad. It's okay. So 这件衣服大吗？这件衣服大吗？还行 It's okay. Fine. 不太大。So recognize these two grammar, okay? Because it indicates different meanings. And also this one, 就 conclusion or happened early. So different, totally different. Okay, next one. Text 2. On the way to the airport. 你现在在哪儿呢？你现在在哪儿呢？在去机场的路上。在去机场的路上。你已经到了吗？你已经到了吗？ So where are you now? I'm on the way to the airport. Have you arrived? 你现在在哪儿呢？ So these two sentences. Okay, next one. 我下飞机了。你还有多长时间能到这儿？我下飞机了。上飞机 So the opposite word 上飞机。下飞机 So I've got off the plane. How many more minutes do you need to get here? 你还有多长时间？还有多长时间 Right. We learned 还 before the text 1. So here 还how many more minutes do you need to get there? 然后 so B 20分钟就到20分钟就到 We just learned, right? 就 that means happened early, okay? In 20 minutes. 机场 airport, 路 road, pass way. I want to tell you that I received some emails or message that mentioned I want to learn Chinese and because I want to speak frequently. But yeah, it's very important to practice with native speaker or we need to improve our oral Chinese, but it's more important to learn the basic knowledge, in Chinese. For example, the text. It's not only you understand what they are talking about, but try to remember, try to use it, right? Remember it and use it. If the basic knowledge you cannot use and you cannot answer the basic question, so it's hard for you, right? Practicing your oral Chinese is important, but basic knowledge is more important. Next one, in the gym. So A, 你家离公司远吗？ So do you live far from your company? 很远，坐公共汽车要1个多小时呢。Yes, very far. It takes more than 1 hour by bus. 很远，坐公共汽车要1个多小时呢。So here 坐公共汽车 that means taking bus. So here in this sentence as a subject, right? 要 so needs 1个多小时呢。坐公共汽车太慢了，你怎么不开车？ Buses are slow. Why don't you drive? 坐公共汽车太慢了，你怎么不开车？ Next, 开车也不快，路上车太多了。So it's not fast either. There are too many cars on the road. Okay, so new words, let's read twice. 离, so to be away from. When you mentioned to distance or to position, for example, your home and company, and you want to emphasize the distance, we need to use this word. It's a verb, right? To be away from, 离. So somewhere, 离 somewhere 有多远 So how long from to, okay? 公司 company, firm 远 far, distant. 公共汽车 bus 公共汽车 bus 公共 means public. 小时 hour 小时 hour 慢 slow 快 fast 慢 and 快 Okay, so next one 今天晚上我们一起吃饭吧给你过生日 Let's have dinner together tonight to celebrate your birthday today. So 今天tonight 离我的生日还有一个多星期呢离我的生日还有一个多星期呢 So my birthday is more than 1 week later. 下个星期我要去北京今天过吧 So next week. So here 下个星期我要去北京我要去北京 That means some actions will happen in the future. Will, right? 要 use 要 here. 今天过吧 Let's celebrate it today. 好吧，离这儿不远有一个中国饭馆，走几分钟就到了。So fine, there's a Chinese restaurant nearby, only a few minutes walk away. So 过 means that to pass time, to spend time. 走 to walk, 到 to arrive, to reach. Okay. So here I think we still have a grammar. Yes, this one, number 3. This grammar, I will, okay, figure. This grammar, so 离, the verb 离, it indicates the distance from a place, moment, or purpose. So here, place, moment, purpose. For example, 我家离学校很远 is far from to, right? 家 home. To where? So school, right? And the time, so when you want to mention a moment or time, 离我的生日还有一个多星期呢 That means it's still a week. It's still a week from my birthday. 离我的生日 Okay, so this is all for today, and we learned a very important adverb and 就 and 还 please review it. Okay, please review it. If you have any problem, you can send me email. This is all for today, and see you next time. Next time we'll learn that Unit 8. 让我想想再告诉你 Okay, see you next time. Bye bye.